Hey guys, spring is here, and during my spring break I decided to make a fleece jacket. Break I didn't record often, so this is just some mini clips in a compilation of what I did record. If you would like to know more about how I made it, please check out my website, revolutionary.com. So I've seen on Pinterest and other websites a couple of color block jackets with pastel colors, which are my favorite, and I decided that that was going to be the theme for my jacket. We have our fabric. We have what we're going to use as an idea. Let's weather update. Been sitting here for probably about 40 minutes trying to figure out what configuration I want to do, because that's how life goes. Alright, so this is the part where we're going to basically have to play this by ear. Since it's layers, I'm going to have to draft a pattern. I can't be lazy and just sew a pattern up a jacket. So we got our newspaper. We're going to start making a quick pattern. Shouldn't take us too long. And then we're going to cut it off into separate pieces so we can make this jacket. Alright, and that's the point where I stopped recording and started cutting out fabric and sewing stuff together. It's going to look a little bit confusing at this point, but at that point I already put the sleeves together and decided a pattern.
Oops, sorry.
Okay.
It wasn't recording.
Oh,
So, she bought the material. She bought all this. I went to Joann's with her yesterday, and she bought all this material. See? Raw material, raw material, raw material. She hasn't cut these yet. She cut the other ones. We didn't record that. And this is what she's done in under an hour. What have we finished?
Alright, so we got our sleeves are done and pressed out.
Both sleeves,
We got the cuffs ready to be attached to the sleeves. Our outside hoodie, the lining for the hoodie, all cut, pressed, and same with the body, cut, pressed. It just needs to have its things attached to it. And yeah.
Under an hour. Awesome. All right. Stay tuned. Yes, I've successfully pressed record, and we've got stuff in the background. All right, so where are we at? We are, how many hours are we away from what you did before?
Well, it's been a couple hours.
It's been a couple hours, but we actually went out to Buffalo Wild Wings and had food.
For about, like, 30 minutes, I don't know, I've been working for about 40 minutes. So
yeah, okay.
Sleeves, I added the cuffs officially and they're attached
Okay.
to the jacket. The next part is sewing the hoodie. It's not sewn, it's just pinned, and I was trying to see if I wanted to add a strip to the bottom.
She does.
And so I'm gonna add a strip that's gonna be green because it's gonna match the waistband and the cuffs. And then the last thing I'm gonna do, like why this is open, is I have to hand sew it. So we're gonna have fun remembering how to hand sew properly. And that's about it, because then it's just add the hoodie, add the zipper, and then embroider a crown on it. So yeah.
Alright.
So to sew the zipper on, I'm going to be using a zipper presser foot. I got this as a Christmas gift. It was just like a unmarked compilation pack, and it does the job well. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this on, sew the zipper, and get on it.
He said that to me. Later that day, I asked him, hey, what are you making this year? And he said, that's personal.
Alright, so pin the detachable zipper on. We're going to go ahead and stitch it down. Luckily it was the right length. And I took off the other side just to make it easier. So let's sew this on and we'll be almost done. We just have finishing touches after the zipper's on. Also, midway side, you can, just for those who do not have a zipper foot and applying the zipper, you don't really need it. Just be careful, but yeah. Alright, with the jacket mostly sewn and just needs some cleanup and stuff trimmed, time to try to throw my hand in embroidering. So this is like the really rough design. It's just supposed to be a crown, so as long as it looks alright, we'll see how it goes. So after embroidering, that was the last bit of footage that I had. I will probably be more diligent in the future about recording. And here are the final results. So I hope you liked what I had recorded. Please check out my website if you would like to hear more technical details about what I made. And please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!